The last couple of years have seen a growth in sales of motorcycles which sit under the 2 lakh rupees bracket. If you're someone who's upgrading from a 110cc or a 150cc motorcycle and are not willing to spend a bomb on new motorcycles, we have a few options for you. These include modern classics, super sport, and naked motorcycles as well. Up first is the KTM 250 Duke. It was launched in 2017 and currently it is priced at 1,97,000 rupees. It bridges the gap between the KTM 200 Duke and the 390 Duke. It gets a single-cylinder liquid-cooled 248cc engine which puts out 29.6 bhp of power at 9000 rpm and 24 Nm of peak torque at 7500 rpm. It is positioned as a performance-oriented street bike, but more accessible to those riders looking to get into the Duke family who will be a bit wary of the 390 Duke's performance and want a little more than the 200 Duke. Mixing it up a bit, we have the Java next. Introduced in 2018, it had a lot going for itself. Old school design, good fit and finish, and a decent engine make for a motorcycle with rich and storied past. With the period correct design, the Java is a good option if you're looking for motorcycles to buy within 2 lakh rupees. The Java is powered by a 293cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine which is fuel injected and puts out 28 bhp of power at around 6500 revs and 27 Nm of peak torque at around 5000 rpm. Prices for the Java start at 1,55,000 rupees for the single-channel ABS version, while the dual-channel version is priced at 1,64,000 rupees. The Java 42, meanwhile, starts from 1,63,000 rupees and goes up to 1,72,000 rupees. The Suzuki Gixxer 250 marks the return of Suzuki in the quarter-liter segment. The Gixxer 250 entered a competitive space when it was launched last year. It is styled very similarly to the Gixxer 155, but gets a 249cc engine. The Gixxer 250 offers a lovely blend of performance and looks. The fit and finish is superb, and it makes lot of sense if one is upgrading from a smaller capacity motorcycle. The engine makes 26 brake horsepower at 9300 rpm and the peak torque output is 22.2 Nm at 7300 rpm. We liked how the motorcycle rides and the power delivery is quite manageable too. The prices of the BS6 model aren't out yet, but one can expect it to be priced at about 1,70,000 rupees or so. Yet another modern classic on this list, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is the bread and butter model for Royal Enfield in India. Prices for the BS6 Classic 350 start at 1,65,000 rupees. The BS6 Classic Royal Enfield 350 gets a 346cc single-cylinder engine which makes 19.1 brake horsepower and 28 Nm. The engine is paired to a 5-speed gearbox. And finally, we round off our list with the venerable Yamaha YZF R15. Launched 12 years ago, the R15 became the preferred motorcycle for those who like taking their motorcycles to a racetrack. In its third generation now, the motorcycle remains an accessible track tool that can double up as a daily ride too. It gets a 155cc single-cylinder engine which makes 18.3 brake horsepower at 10,000 rpm and 14.1 Nm of peak torque available at 8500 rpm. The BS6 compliant model is priced at 1,45,000 rupees, and while it may seem expensive for a 150cc motorcycle, it offers plenty in terms of performance and is a good tool to sharpen your riding skills on. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for best motorcycles to buy under 2 lakh rupees. There are of course other options as well, but these offer you the best value for money and make for excellent riding pleasure as well.